Hello and welcome. I am Srilata and this is Ichapuran's first Handloom special episode. Now, Bengal Handloom bears a timeless legacy of cultural heritage and has a brimming history with rich varieties evolving over the years like muslin, jamdani, gorud, baluchuri, handloom cotton, taat, tangail and many more. Today I am going to show you a variety of sarees which includes soft handloom cotton, tussar handloom, jamdani work and muslin with a very special type of weave. I'll start with a soft handloom. It has a rich pallu with woven design, a velvet border and a traditional temple motif along the border. This is a soft handloom cotton once again, beautiful check all over the body and the pallu is made with jute. It has small jamdani motifs along the border. This once again a soft handloom cotton sari, very much alike of the sari which I am wearing. It has a rich pallu where typical naksha design, we say naksha in Bengali. It is a woven design of a fish. The pallu is having the motifs all over and the sari body has small booties, all woven. This is a linen jamdani and it is a pure linen by linen. The design in the pallu and the booties in the body, you can see. A very soft sari, you can see the softness. So very easy to wear and comfortable. This is a handloom sari, cotton silk. The pallu is very rich, woven in Manipuri style. The inspiration is taken from northeastern part of India. The border also holds the same inspiration. It has a minute meena booty all over the body. You can see the booties, they are of two colors, bright color outside and another color inside. The blouse is contrast. It has a blue blouse. All the sarees have blouse pieces, by the way. If you want to see it separately, you can just message us. This is the blouse piece. This is one of the exclusive sarees of Bengal Handloom, made of pure matka. The pallu is having a multicolored jamdani work, all woven by hand. The body has buttas in 5 different colors, very difficult to weave. And the whole sari goes like this. The whole sari goes like this. Blouse is of same color. This is another exclusive sari of Bengal Handloom. It is made of tussar. It is full tussar by tussar, hand woven. The pallu is rich with ghicha tussar work. The weaving work you can see is beautiful, made of ghicha tussar. The body has small booties. The whole sari goes like this. The body has a pin stripe all over. This is a color variation of the previous sari. Same ghicha work along the pallu, booties in the body and border. This is another linen with jamdani work. The rich pallu with multicolor. And buttas all over the body. The border is very bright pink. If I hold the sari this way, you can see the buttas in a better way. There has been a lot of research regarding the weaving styles of Bengal handloom, and this sari is an example of that. This is a muslin sari, half muslin, half matka, I should say, but I am showing the pallu part and showing you the muslin fabric where the sequin is woven inside. It is not stitched. The sequin is not stitched in the sari. It is woven inside the sari, so it will not fall off or cause any damage or anything. The sari has jamdani work in the first 2.5 meters. That means the yoke and pallu will be having jamdani work on muslin along with the pocketed sequin. This way the sari design will go, and the pleats are deep red matka. This is the pleats part. Pleats and blouse piece is like this. Another matka and muslin with a sequin weave. You can see the dhakai jamdani work all over. This is a pocketed sequin all over the sheer part. The sari goes like this till 2.5 meters from pallu, and the pleats part is deep pink. It has sequin woven into it too. This is another muslin and matka sari. Here the muslin is plain, it does not have jamdani work. Instead it is all over sequin, and as I said, the sequin is not stitched. Sequin is woven inside the muslin. This is the unique technique of Bengal handloom. The blouse piece is blue, so you can see the pallu as blue, but the part is like this. The yoke part 2.5 meter is like this, blue muslin, dark blue muslin with woven sequin. This is the pleats part. See how does it look as it falls over the pink pleats. Another linen jamdani, and the design is very traditional Korat design of Bengal handloom. This design is called as Korat design, and the colorful pallu design goes along the border. The sari goes like this. A bright multicolor linen, pure linen. This is linen by linen. This is another beautiful red sari. It has a multicolored jamdani work in pallu. This is a muslin sari with all over matka stripe. So it is not as transparent as the saris I have shown before. This is a translucent sari and the sari has close sequins, very closely woven. This design goes up to 2.5 meters. Then the plain pleats start. It is made of matka. Another half muslin, half matka. Muslin with jamdani weave till the pleats start. That means all over the pallu and yoke. A beautiful lota with ghicha, tashur and jodi. And along with that, it has all over sequin weave. The sari goes like this. And this is the pleats part. The blouse is black. A beautiful sari with definitely different color combination. The pallu with traditional Dhakai booty, a big buta. And then the muslin with sequin weave. Here goes like this till 2.5 meters, and then the pleats part. This is a pure muslin sari with jamdani weave. Beautiful multicolored jamdani floral bunches along the border and buta all over. You can see the pallu, it is also very bright. The whole sari goes like this. Till now I have shown sequins woven inside the pocket, but this is mother of pearl. Inside the matka, this is mother of pearl which is woven inside it. The pallu has golden and silver booty along with mother of pearl sequins. It will look very good with pearl jewelry. This is the pleats part. This is the pleats. Blouse is plain black. This is a marvelous white on white muslin sari, and this is one of its kind. Pallu is muslin with golden silver buta and sequin. Sequins are made of mother of pearl. The body has matka with muslin stripes, and along the muslin stripes there is woven sequin, mother of pearl once again, and the pleats part is made of matka. Blouse is white, but I would suggest that you make a customized blouse from us. You can see our blouse episodes, episode 6 and 8, and you'll find a number of varieties there, embroidered blouses which will go very well with this saree. This is another matka muslin, same as the white one, but here we don't have the mother of pearl sequins. Here we have regular round sequins. The pallu is muslin with golden and silver buta, along with the woven sequins. The sari body has a muslin stripes with woven sequins, and this is the pleats part. This is a sari definitely worthy of being in a wedding trousseau. I'll end with a very lightweight party wear sari, muslin sari with a multicolored pallu, multicolored jamdani pallu. The next part is muslin with matka stripe all over. The sari is not very transparent, it is translucent, and it has woven sequin all over. This is the sari. This is the part before the pleats. This is the pleats part, and the blouse piece is pink. If you like our program, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Press on the bell icon to get regular notifications of our new video uploads.